Good day everyone, my name is Angel Joy Tahonera and today we're going to talk about the betta fish, also known as the Siamese fighting fish. So they are known for being territorial and they will fight off other fishes if you place them together in the same tank. Bettas are members of the gourami family, and contrary to popular assumption saying they live in puddles, they actually reside in standing water in the wild, and commonly in rice paddies, floodplains, or canals. Because they live in such a broad area in the wild, they are less territorial and will simply spar rather than fight to death. The betta life cycle begins with mating. The male betta courts the female betta, and when the female betta finally says yes, then they mate. During the mating process, the female betta releases the eggs, in which the male betta collects and fertilizes them and puts them into bubble nests that he constructed. Did you know that mating may result in damage for the female betta fish in many circumstances? After the male betta fertilizes and puts the eggs into self-made bubble nests, it is critical to remove the female betta from the tank at this point. That is because the male betta becomes violent once the mating process is over. Unlike other species that give birth to live babies, a female betta fish carries her eggs for a brief time and seems bloated. Betta eggs are laid at the water surface, which are mostly cared for by the male betta fish. That is because betta eggs require oxygen to grow. The eggs will hatch in just 1 to 2 days, and the number of betta fry that will hatch is unpredictable and can range from 1 to 300. When the betta fish hatch, they will feed on their eggs for the first 24 hours and stay near them for another 24 hours. After they have completely eaten their yolk sac, which for some fry takes up to 5 days, the male parents should be removed from the tank at this point to avoid any fight with the fry. Betta fishes develop labyrinth organs, which allow them to breathe at the water surface. This happens between the ages of 3 and 6 weeks. The betta's distinctive color will not be visible until 8 or 9 weeks of its existence. It is also at this time that the majority of the betta should be separated due to sexual maturation and attempts to fight other siblings. At 3 months of age, the betta fish has reached adulthood. They cannot be housed in the same tank as another betta fish or several other types of fishes. Betta fishes start off as tiny eggs with a diameter of less than 0.3 inch and grow to be about 1.9 inches long after 11 weeks. The fins of the betta have reached maximum growth at 7 months of age, and its length will be between 3 and 4 inches. So one fact that can help you identify a male betta fish and a female betta fish is that the colors of the male betta fish are more vibrant than the female. The colors of the female betta fish are more dull. Tails and fins of the male betta fish are more magnificent and long and big compared to the female betta fish, which are short and not as attractive to us. And that the bodies of the female betta fish are more bigger compared to the male. Thank you for watching my video. I hope I have given you a great deal of information about the life cycle of the Betta splendens, or also known as the Siamese fighting fish.